Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring what I believe is the best 4-inch foam mini roller paint kit on the market, the Mr. Rui Foam Paint Roller 8-pack. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a homeowner tackling a refresh, or even a pro looking for precision tools, you're going to want to stick around for the next few minutes as we dive into everything that makes this product shine. Let's kick things off with what's inside the box. When you purchase the Mr. Rui 8-pack paint roller kit, you're not just getting roller covers, you're getting the full package. The kit includes 8 4-inch high-density foam roller covers, a mini roller frame, a paint tray, and a disposable liner. That means you've got everything you need to get started, straight out of the box, no extra trips to the hardware store. Now, let's talk build quality. The roller covers are made from a dense, solvent-resistant foam, perfect for delivering a smooth, lint-free finish. This is especially useful when you're working with gloss, satin, or semi-gloss paints on flat surfaces like doors, cabinets, trim, or furniture. You'll notice right away how evenly the foam distributes paint without absorbing too much of it, a common issue with cheaper rollers. The roller frame has a comfortable grip and solid balance. It's lightweight but doesn't feel flimsy, which gives you a surprising amount of control for a compact tool like this. That's crucial when you're working in tight spaces or trying to keep a steady hand along corners and edges. The frame also supports a quick change system. Just pull one foam cover off and slide another one on. It's snug enough to avoid slippage, but easy enough to swap out without a mess. The included paint tray is made of sturdy plastic, not the disposable kind that warps easily, and it comes with a removable liner that helps keep cleanup time to a minimum. After you're done, just remove the liner and toss it. That's a nice touch, especially if you're juggling multiple colors or coats in a single project. What really makes this kit stand out is how well it performs on detail-oriented tasks. Larger rollers can be clumsy for projects like painting cabinets, furniture, or trim, but this 4-inch foam roller gives you the control and finesse to work with precision. It's great for achieving that clean, professional-looking finish without any brush strokes or uneven textures. Another thing worth pointing out is the value. You're getting 8 foam rollers in this kit. That's more than enough to handle several small to medium paint jobs. Whether you're refreshing a piece of furniture or doing detailed accent work in a room, this kit has you covered multiple times over. And since the foam is solvent-resistant, you can use it with a wide variety of finishes including water-based and oil-based paints. Overall, the Mr. Rui Foam Paint Roller Kit is a total game-changer if you're looking for quality results on smaller surfaces. It's compact, it's effective, and it's built for convenience. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a meticulous painter chasing flawless results, this kit delivers what it promises. Professional painting results without the professional price tag. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more hands-on product insights, and drop a comment. If you've tried this roller kit or have another favorite you think we should check out. See you in the next video.